In this video, you will see how to make Mumbai special masala sandwich, which can be served in 3 ways. These sandwiches are crispy, delicious and healthy too, which can be served for breakfast or as an evening snack. I've shared the recipe of the special sandwich masala and the special green chutney too. So let's get started with the recipe, but before that, do subscribe to my channel for more such yummy recipes. To make the sandwich masala, I'll take 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, around 15 to 20 peppercorns, 8 to 10 cloves and roast them on low flame till the color changes. Remove in a plate and let it cool down. Then add half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of anardana powder, or you can also add amchur, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black salt. Grind this to a fine powder, and this masala can be added to any version of sandwiches you make at home. It can be stored for 3 months without losing its flavor in a tight lid bottle too. You can add oregano or garlic powder too, but as I'm making the Mumbai special sandwich masala, I'm not adding any. And here our sandwich masala is ready. Now let's prepare the tasty aloo stuffing. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add the cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 10 to 12 curry leaves, some green chilies as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute for 30 seconds or so till the raw smell goes away. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a handful of peas fresh or frozen as per your choice, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and saute till everything turns aromatic. Now I will add 4 medium-sized boiled and grated potatoes. This stuffing is good enough to make about 10 to 12 sandwiches and can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days too in a tight lid box. Add salt as per taste, and now you need to saute this for 5 to 6 minutes till the mixture becomes nice and smooth. It's been more than 7 to 8 minutes and the aloo stuffing has become smooth and cooked well too with the spices. Lastly, add the lemon juice and turn off the gas. Garnish with loads of coriander and let it cool down a little bit. Till then, let's prepare the spicy green sandwich special chutney. For the chutney, all you need is a half cup of pudina or mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander along with the stems which add to the flavor, 3 tablespoons of roasted chana dal, also called as futana dal, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, green chilies as per your taste. The secret for this chutney to stay green always is the roasted chana dal and the lemon juice, so do not skip these ingredients. I will grind all these ingredients to a fine paste by adding minimum amount of water. And just look at this color. This chutney will taste fabulous and stay light green in color for 2 to 3 days too. Let's start preparing the sandwiches. Apply butter generously, as this will prevent the bread from becoming soggy when you apply the green chutney. After butter, I'll give a layer of the green chutney. Add only a tablespoon on each slice to prevent sogginess. The garlic added in this chutney gives a wonderful taste. You can skip the garlic if you dislike it. This sandwich is amazing and it's so filling, as you will see it has layers and layers of filling on it. Next, add the aloo stuffing so that it sticks well to the bread. Spread it uniformly till the edges. After this, give a layer of thinly sliced onions, then add the tomatoes. This sandwich has so many layers of different textures and tastes, which in all make it amazingly tasty. Also, one sandwich is very filling and is a good option to be carried on picnics and is a perfect snack for kids' birthday parties too. Now we'll sprinkle the magic sandwich masala that we prepared so that the vegetables do not taste bland. Isn't the sandwich looking so colorful? Yet there are more toppings to go on it, so keep watching. After this, I'll add the grated beetroot. You will wonder how I made the juliennes. Well, it's with the help of this julienne peeler which makes the task very easy. Next comes a very important vegetable for the flavor, that is the capsicum, which adds a sharpness and a peculiar taste. Capsicum is mostly added in all street foods, so do not skip it. And then come loads of grated cheese. If you want a string-like effect in your sandwich, you can add the mozzarella cheese. Here I am using the simple processed cheese. Then again sprinkle a generous amount of sandwich masala on the top again. I've already shared a video on how to make salted butter at home. The link you can see in the I button above. After applying butter, I'll apply the green sandwich special chutney and cover the sandwich. To grill these sandwiches, I'll use a gas toaster. I'll keep it for heating and till then apply butter on top of the sandwiches so that they become nice and crisp. Just see what a huge sandwich this would be. It's a burst of flavors and textures. The toast has become nice and hot. I'll turn off the flame and apply butter. Place the sandwich and cook on very low flame, turning the sides till you get a golden color. You can use an electric sandwich maker too. And here you can see the sandwich now looks crispy and perfectly golden in color. You can serve this sandwich in 3 ways. If it's for an evening snack, you can serve it in the street style way, which I'll just show you now. Cut it in the center so that it is easy to pick it up and eat it. It's so crispy and tasty, you must try making this sandwich. I'm sure you will love it. Apply green chutney on the top. Add lots of zero number save, that is bhujia. And some grated cheese. I'm adding little quantity, but you can add more cheese as per your choice. More the cheese you add, the kids will love it. And here are street style masala sandwiches ready. If made for breakfast, then you can serve it as a plain grilled sandwich without the toppings. And the third way can be made into a treat for mayonnaise lovers. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. If you liked today's video, do press the like button and share the video with your friends and family. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video.